Cooking with, sponsored by the College of Public Health Cooking with CPH Students. Hi everyone, I'm Andrew Choi. I'm a risk management and insurance major with a nutrition minor at Temple University. I want to welcome you guys to Cooking with CPH Students, brought to you by the Nutrition Club at Temple University, along with the College of Public Health Alumni Association. So today we're making ground turkey and brown rice stuffed peppers. It's a very affordable option. I just recently discovered this recipe. It's very healthy as well. A macronutrient breakdown would be about like 400 calories per pepper, about 33 grams of protein, 7 grams of fat, and 50 grams of carbohydrates. So what you actually need for the recipe, you're gonna need some olive oil. We got some cheese, it's a Mexican blend. Obviously the bell peppers. We have brown rice, 1 tomato, 1 yellow onion, a pound of ground turkey. We got 93% lean. We have cilantro, ground cumin, cayenne, pepper, and salt. To start, we're just gonna get the rice going on. We're gonna start boiling the water, and then we're gonna put 2 cups of rice in. We're also gonna need 4 cups of water. So what I usually like to do, my general rule is to do 2 cups for every 1 cup of rice. So just get all the rice in there. So while we let the rice cook, we're gonna start cutting up the vegetables just to get that out of the way. So we're gonna use the whole onion, then we're gonna use the whole tomato. So now that we've cut up all the vegetables, we're gonna start sauteing the onions with some olive oil. We'll use just like about 2 tablespoons and for like 3 minutes or so, and then we'll start cooking the turkey. Put it around like medium heat. I'm gonna throw some onions in there and start sauteing them up. So the onions are starting to saute, and then we're gonna throw the turkey on pretty soon. And what I usually do is I don't really use too much oil. It's usually the fat from the meat that I use, like either whether it's like chicken breast, chicken thighs, ground turkey. This one's 93% lean. There's always like some fat coming out of the meat, which also is good for just cooking like vegetables like this and sauteing it. All right, so the onions are just about like sauteed up and everything. So now I'm gonna get to the turkey. We're using the whole pound. Let's see how many grams of protein that is. It's about 108 grams for the whole pound. So some good quality protein. Let's get this bad boy on here. So yeah, just the pepper and salt. I like a lot of pepper in mine. Watch the sodium though for the salt, but pepper I like to go all out. So the rice is coming along pretty nicely. I usually put it onto like medium just to let it simmer a little bit. I don't know if everything's gonna fit in this pan. All right, so as the turkey's getting done, mixed with the onions, and the rice is just about finished, we're gonna start cutting the bell peppers. So what we're gonna wanna do is cut them like lengthwise. So I guess this way. And then we're gonna take the seeds and the stems out, and then we're just gonna stuff them once we mix everything together. So lengthwise. And see this? So we just rip this off, get the seeds, get that stem right here. And then once we have everything mixed together, we're gonna take stuff the peppers, the hollowed out peppers, and then we're gonna throw them in the oven. So I guess as of right now, preheat the oven to 350. And then it's gonna cook for about like 25-30 minutes. All right, so the turkey is basically done. So like I said earlier, we're gonna transfer this rice pot to here since that burner is already hot. And we're just gonna throw the turkey and the onions in there that we sauteed, including like the, I guess it's fat that came out of the turkey. All the flavor actually, that's what it is. Throw that in here. And then we're also gonna throw in the tomatoes now. And then we're gonna season this some more with the cumin and the cayenne. Like I said earlier too, oh man, I love cumin. So you can literally just use as much as you want. Go all out with the seasoning. Because not only fat is flavor, but the seasonings. Very, very important. All right. So this is coming along nicely. I'll probably throw in some more cumin just because I can. And I recently just started using cumin. My friend made curry at my house. Oh my God, it was so good. So now I just use cumin in like everything. Everything that has like meat, I always season it with at least cumin, garlic salt, pepper. Sometimes I use like a little chipotle. It smells really good, so I mean, something's gotta be working. All right, so everything's mixed in, mixed together. So now we have the peppers. So we're gonna throw these here and then we're gonna fill these. I'm just gonna like pack them in just so, because we have a good amount of, I guess, stuffing. That's packed pretty nice. So they are stuffed now, then we're just gonna throw them in the oven. So now that the oven's preheated to 350, we're gonna toss these bad boys in for, I think, 20 to 25 minutes. All right, so it's been about like 20, 25 minutes. We had the oven at 350, so I'm just gonna pull them out now. Oh man, that's hot. So now we're just gonna put some cheese on there, like a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, somewhere around there on top of it. And then we're gonna throw them back in for another 5 minutes. If I could just get this bag of cheese open. All right, there's the cheese. And then I'm just gonna throw this back in for only like 5 minutes. So the cheese is done melting on top of the peppers. So I'm just gonna pull them out, and then garnish them, and then we'll try them out. Oh yeah. And then I have the cilantro right here. Garnish them a little bit. All right, so I'm gonna try one of these bad boys. Go for this one. Yep, that's fantastic. So definitely go crazy with the flavor. Like I like cumin a lot. I could have used more cumin if I wanted. You could use more cayenne, more pepper, more salt. It's really up to you. It's definitely an affordable meal, healthy meal. It's only 400 calories, about 7 grams of fat. I believe it was 50 carbs, and then like 30 grams of protein per pepper. So definitely an affordable and healthy and nutritious meal. All right, guys, thanks for joining me today. We made these delicious turkey and brown rice stuffed peppers. They came out great. If you want more of these fresh and delicious recipes that are also like affordable and nutritious, definitely keep an eye out for the CPH Community Cookbook that's coming out soon. So thanks again.